In Ephesians, Paul reminds us of something simple yet profound. We must live worthy of the calling we have received. He speaks of humility, gentleness, and patience, practical attitudes and daily choices. He instructs us to bear with one another in love and to keep the unity of the Spirit. This means acting with maturity even when it's not easy. It means listening before reacting and letting go of pride. And when we read Ephesians 4:1-3, there's a silent invitation. Are we truly living this way? Do our attitudes reflect this calling, or have hurry brought irritation and ego been speaking louder? Living our calling is not automatic. It's a constant decision. It shows up in the details, in our gestures, our words, and the way we treat those around us. Our relationship with others reveals a lot about us. It is in real interaction, with flaws, differences, and limitations, that we show where we truly stand. How do we react to someone else's mistakes? How do we forgive, listen, and welcome? Maybe the real question is, how have I treated the people God has placed in my path? If we aim to maintain unity and foster love in our lives, we must begin by making positive changes in our daily actions and decisions. Here's a thought-provoking reflection for you. What can I strive for today to approach God's expectations from me more closely? Thank you for taking a moment to reflect with me. May God bless your life, your family, and your path. And may He renew in each of us the strength and willingness to live with humility, love, and unity every day.